Hello, my fragrance BFF. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we have another battle. Oh no, no more battles for me. Today is a really hot summer day, and if you want to smell unique, far from basic, I got you. I got you covered. Let's start with the one that is most known, although super unique, and it has a name special for summer. It's Amouage Sunshine. This one is so beautiful. This one reminds me of Corfu. I wore it in Greece. I carried with me a 10 ml decant to protect this gorgeous bottle, which fits perfectly in my hand. It has different notes. It has tobacco, artemisia, papyrus, vanilla, almond, and a heavy dose of osmanthus, which makes it smell like an apricot. So imagine you are sitting by the beach and you take a bite of the most juicy and delicious apricot. It's very unique. And I think you can wear it any season, but in the summer heat, I love it the most. So if you think that it smells like an ashtray, try it more, especially when it's super hot outside. And maybe it will talk to you as it does to me. Next fragrance is from Stéphane Humbert Trucas, the most hyped one. It's God of Fire. The notes are mango, red berries, different notes, even wood. I don't get any wood, and cypriot oil. But what it smells like, the mango is super fresh, so don't expect it to be creamy or glowing. It's super fresh. I mentioned it also in my exotic fragrances video. I associate this with a super hot day in a concrete jungle like Kuala Lumpur. So you are having some mango, but you are also chewing mint gum. So it has that texture as a gum when you chew it. I don't know why. It was unexpected. I didn't expect it to smell like this. Not blind buy safe. None of them are blind buy safe. But it's very unique and it did a job. It made me feel beautiful during the summer heat, 30 degrees in Kuala Lumpur at the beginning of March. So I will forever associate it with Kuala Lumpur. It's a beautiful one. Next we have another special perfume that no one talks about except Sharida M, and it's from Pearlescent's Gallagher Perfumes, and it's Sunscape, and this is how the bottle looks. I love the color of this. They are from Texas, and I placed the order myself. All my perfumes are my own. Not that it makes a difference. So I placed the order and they arrived from Texas to Switzerland super fast, in maximum 1 week. So if you are in Europe, don't be afraid to try. And I think the price is fair. It's 100, a little over 100 Swiss francs or USD. And this one has notes of melon or honeydew. And sugar and solar notes and lime and olibanum, ginger, incense, a lot of notes. When I smell it even here, it has a lot of essential oils. Expect something super strong with a minty vibe at the first spray. And then in about half an hour, it turns into a melon bubble gum, and it's super long lasting. It reminds me of my childhood. We used to have bubble gum with the taste of melon, and they were yellow orange, and it's happiness in a bottle, and I'm so happy to have it. But as I said, it's not airy or fluffy. It's super, super powerful, a melon bubble gum made in a powerful essential oil perfume. Try it out if you can, and don't be afraid. In the beginning it will have that minty vibe, which I dislike, but after that it will become the most beautiful melon honeydew scent. So it's beautiful for the summer heat. It smells like Texas. Does Texas smell like honeydew? Probably. I hope so. Thank you, my friend Sharida. Check her out. She's an amazing content creator. The next perfume is again very special, and you can wear it anytime, but I think in the summer heat it works very, very well. And it's from Ex Nihilo. It's the only one that I have from Ex Nihilo, and it's called Immortals. This smells amazing, and it has notes of pear, lis ylang. It's a hybrid between ylang ylang and lis. And I think it also has some saffron because it's compared to Baccarat Rouge and to Brompton Immortals, which both have saffron. It also has some peony, amber, tonka bean, and musk. This is like liquid gold made as a perfume, and when you spray it, it converts into gold dust. And I mentioned it in my first video about perfumes that bring me the most compliments. It's super powerful and long lasting, and it reminds me of my childhood. We used to have a VCR, and I had a tape with music videos, and my favorite was the one from Michael Jackson, Remember the Time. Throughout the video, Michael Jackson looks beautiful as always, and dancing, super impressive, like watching a full movie. And at the end, Michael turns himself into gold dust. Ex Nihilo Gold Immortals is just like that, gold dust. It reminds me of that video. It has some sunny golden aura about it. Another special, beautiful one for the summer. Just 3 of them left. Which one should we continue with? Let's continue with one from Armani Privé, and no, it's not Rouge Malachite. That's too mainstream. Did I say that? The most special one from their line. I think all of them are super well blended and masterpieces. The one I chose for today's video is Bleu Turquoise, another one that matches my outfit. This one is again super, super special. If you wear it, you will be remembered. The first time I heard about it was from Amanda Soigne's videos. She was raving about it. What I get the most is salt, vanilla, and some moss or cypre oil, something that has an algae smell, as if you are by the beach. I completely loved Amanda's association. She said it is as if you are all dressed up and you had your dinner and you are walking by the beach and you have the sunset and that beachy atmosphere and the smell from the sea and the breeze. Thank you, Amanda. This is super special and works so well in the summer heat. Bleu Turquoise goes very well if you have from Laboratorio Olfattivo. It's called Salina, and it has a salty vibe, and it also feels like a dump. It has this algae smell, and sometimes when I'm not in the mood to smell like an algae, it's not working well, but they go super well together. Check out this Laboratorio Olfattivo Salina if you want to smell like algae beach vibe. Now we have the second last one. It's from EBK Deep and Desire Yacht. It has notes of grapefruit, peel, bergamot, camellia, grapes, hazelnut, pink pepper, dark chocolate, and cedar. And it also has cinnamon. I think on the box they say some different notes. What it smells like one umbrella for two, but make it 10 times more powerful. Imagine you are on a yacht. You feel the breeze and the sun is shining and you are eating some juicy blueberry cake. So this is like a cake in the summer heat, and it's also airy, and I think it has some similarities to Gold Immortals. So both of them are airy and they have this sparkling, alluring feeling to them. So it's another gorgeous one, super special for the summer heat. I saved the best for the last. From Jeroboam, Gozo. And the bottle is super tiny, it's 30 ml. And I gave it a low score when I did the unboxing, I will link it. But it's actually practical, you can carry it, it's super light. And you can carry it in your bag, so that's nice about it. This one is a saffron bomb. And it reminds me of Gozo. I went to Gozo a few years back, before the azure window was corroded and it completely fell. You know, the azure window is the place where Game of Thrones was filmed for a little bit, and we took some nice pictures there. Yeah, it was a gorgeous place to be, and I would like to go back. Yeah, it's super sweet. It will last forever. And it's saffron with tuberose and it has a candy vibe. But it's nothing annoying. For me, it's not. And it works super, super well in the summer heat. This one is also similar and it's compared on Fragrantica to Temp Fluo from Nishane. I have both of them. If I am to compare them, do you want to see a battle? I'm not doing any more battles unless you make a special request. If I am to compare them, Gozo is tuberose and saffron, and Nishane Temp Fluo is orange blossom and saffron. And this one is a little more tamed and a little more business appropriate. I mentioned that I wore this one in Kuala Lumpur during my conference days. So it made me feel super clean and put together, powerful. And Gozo, I think it's sweeter and, dare I say, sexier. So this is a saffron bombshell, super, super attractive. I love it. At the moment, no one is gonna smell like you unless they have Gozo or Temp Fluo, but they are not the same. That was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being with me in this hot summer day. Let me know in the comments down below which one is your most special summer fragrance. Wear what makes you happy, and I hope to see you next time.